Speaking right before lunch is always a difficult thing, and especially when everything has been covered, open access. And as the introduction goes, I'm basically a competition lawyer. So I look at the competition aspect of the provisions in this law. Competition was there in the 2003 original act also. We talked of competitive rates and things like that. And open access is one of the areas which was really about competition. Competition envisages that there's plenty of availability. Those who are producing the particular goods, there are a number of them available. There are a number of consumers available, and each is able to bargain the price that they want to take. What happened was that open access remained, and as speakers mentioned, really Bombay is one area where ultimately, at the end of the supply chain, there were four operators. But this is not because of the 2003 Act. They were there all along. Tata Power is a century-old organization. Reliance bought over the assets of BSES. BEST was there all along. The state players, of course, are always there. What happened in West Bengal was, after the 2003 Act, only which was always a part of the Act, that the State Electricity Board was divided into the distribution company and the transmission company. And only in Asansol, again, that was not a result of the 2003 Act, but there was more than one player. In Calcutta, you have the CESC, which has been there for ages. It was the first generating and supplying power. So where is this competition that we are thinking about?
Sir, in Delhi also we have 2 licenses.
Yeah.
We are talking about Bombay. I think Delhi has 4 licenses to distribute power in Delhi. It's not only Mumbai, because we have talked about Mumbai. Delhi also has.
So, therefore, we tried to shift into something which was probably thought to be more achievable, that let us have a number of suppliers. Again, if you look from the consumer's point of view, there are consumers who don't, there are intending consumers in rural areas and others who don't get power. Is this going to help them to get, these are the questions we should look at. Is this division of the distribution and supply going to help them get the power? There are consumers who are being subsidized by bigger consumers. Now, the question which has been discussed earlier also, this sort of arrangement, is it going to result in migration of the paying consumers to certain supply companies? And that is why there is a provision that there will be a government company which will be amongst the a number of suppliers. Is it going to be left holding the baby for those who are now being subsidized? Subsidy was supposed to go. Subsidy was to gradually reduce, but it has not been done. So, the competition concerns that we look at is ultimately, as a small consumer, do I really have a choice of more suppliers? Will this act really give me that? Will I be able to get a competitive rate? Again, we are really looking at larger consumers, but the act places them, when we talk of bringing up a number of suppliers, we are looking at the small consumer. So my competition concern is, will it lead to a number of suppliers being available, and will it really lead to my getting the supply from the supplier whom I want? Because ultimately, there is a bottleneck. The bottleneck is the distributor. The distributor will have all the means that are available now, and unless a number of distributors are also available, open access is the only solution which can ensure that the suppliers get the power from other generators also. There's really nothing more I would like to say, because everything has been discussed so much that I would be really repeating this. So thank you very much for the opportunity.
Mr. Bush, I have a question.
Yeah.
You talked about competition. Do you think the competition, what is it called, Authority of India, will they have a role?
Yeah, I would really, we are not sure, because
the Competition Authority of India has a role.
the Competition Commission of India does not want to get into areas which have been, where competition is being regulated. So therefore, you know, I don't think it will come in unless we allow it to come in.
We should allow it.
We allowed, see, yeah, they should be allowed, because, you know, some of the, in fact, that's a good question, because some of the orders that have been passed by the regulatory authorities and which have also gone up and further by the Supreme Court, they are really competition concerns which should be addressed by the competition. Now, if the competition authorities come in, then the supply will be really, yes, they have to. Because if you see the orders that the competition authorities have given in other sectors, that is the only way to bring in the advantage to the consumer.